Welcome. You know what? You know what's up. I know what's up. Let's get started. Breeze. Come on, freeze. Come on. Alright. It felt nice. Not the greatest result, but it felt nice. So, I don't know. Kind of satisfied. Weird. Okay, let's start with the rest. Concurrency, catching promises, promise rejections. In regular JavaScript, we recover for exceptions with catch. Sure. So we have a function catch. We throw new error, then we catch. We caught it. Okay, so this will say we got. We can catch promise rejection as well. We can catch promise rejection as well, but not with the usual try-catch syntax. Instead, promises have a catch method. When a promise rejects, it's called back if and is called. Okay. In some ways, catch behaves like then. Both take callback functions and both return promises containing the callback's return value. The main difference is that then is called under normal conditions, but catch is called only when a promise rejects. Catch we can recover from a rejection. Returning fulfilled rather than rejected promise. Then is called under normal condition. Catch is called only when promise rejects. With catch we can recover from a rejection. Okay, so now it will be we caught it. Just returns it like that. Oh. It's just fulfilled. That's interesting. Okay. I can recover from rejection, returning fulfilled rather than project promise. Okay, I don't even read that. Well, I do read that, I don't. I don't know how to say it in English. So, what do we have now? We have a constant of users, first name. There's a function, first username. User length is 0. We throw a new error, else we access the name. Okay. So we have a promise, console. We have nothing in there. Promise resolve. We have then. First username. Okay, and it we have it throws the sync, right? we catch it and we got undefined, so this will be full undefined. User is making a purchase and enters an invalid discount code. The code here looks for the discount code in the database. We use an array instead of a real database. If the discount doesn't exist, return rejected promise. Rejected promise will cause our application to return an HTTP 500 error if we don't do that. So we need to handle the rejection. Handle the rejected promise with catch, returning a promise that fulfills with undefined. Okay, find discount code, and we will have what? Catch. Unexpected token. How was it in here? I should. Okay, so it. I have to have the then. It returns promise, so I should be able to. What they say. Returning a promise that fulfills with undefined instead. Syntax error, unexpected token. Wish I knew where it is, like the line number or anything. What if I put it in here? That's the same thing. Okay, maybe the space here is bad. Yep, I had extra space in there. Typo is my main enemy, seems to be. The catch method is the most common error handling mechanism in promises. But there's another less common method. Oh, okay. Unrejected function. Yeah, so far our then callbacks have always looked like this, then some value, blah blah. But then actually takes two callbacks attention, two callback functions as arguments, then unfulfilled, unrejected. The unrejected callback is called when the parent promise is rejected. Okay, so promise reject. Okay, so this will be promise dot reject. User does not exist, so it will be fulfilled, it rejected. Promise can fulfill or reject, but it can do both. Only one of the two then callbacks is called, so this is the then and those are the callbacks. Either unfulfilled or unrejected. Okay, so This is unfulfilled and this is unrejected. And here, unfulfilled, unrejected. Finally, a note about the relationship between rejection and errors. In most cases, rejection is used to indicate an error. Okay, most cases an error. What is the other case? Okay, there's an example. Imagine that we are building a web-based email product. We want to let users import their email archives from other email providers. We do it by connecting to the other providers' mail servers and downloading all of the user's email. There might be hundreds of thousands of emails, and this can take hours. Abort import if needed. We want to allow the user abort import if needed. Web-based email product, we want to let users import their email archives from the other email providers. We do that by connecting to the other providers' email servers and downloading all the users' email. This can take hours. We want to allow user to abort import if needed, okay? As two chain promises. So first, download all the email from the user's email server, storing it within temporary location. Yeah, this is the slow part. Then, after all the email downloaded, save it in our own email database. If the user asks to abort the import during phase 1, we can reject that promise. It prevents phase 2. Oh, okay. No example. Alright, I hope there's another lesson or something. Oh, there's not. Oh well. So what is the... So, attendance good. Learning, excellent. I'm excellent, great. What is this? Show me the tooltip. Course task breakdown. Okay. 12 learned, 3 active, 4 0 unlocked, 4 locked. So 4 to go, I guess. And there was I'll finish in about 5 days. This way, okay. Oh, everything is waiting. Oh my god, no. Okay, what am I going to do? Let's open IntelliJ. Look what I have done so far. Okay. I'll look into version control. Plugin updates. Restart. Well, later. Later. arrays. That is this here. Okay. Local changes. You know what? I will pause the timer and I will do the 10 minutes. Okay, so that is something which I just tried. Commit. How do you spell that? Verify. Work. I don't remember what it was. So I'll just commit that. Then I will have a look in here. What I did here, huh? Pretty cool. Next thing to do. Next things to do. Next things, the 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 next things to do. Okay, so we'll have a look into that tutorial. Okay, so I have JavaScript tutorial, and I'm supposed to do array last index of in JavaScript iteration methods chapter. Okay, so JavaScript array iteration methods. Array for each. Okay, so and I should be array last index of. Okay, so I will have a look, and here is repetition. I'll have a look in there. So, can I run it like in here? I will try later. Oh, it works. Cool. And what is here? Yeah, I use script in here, but fuck that. I'll go here, and that was Control Shift F12, I think. Yeah, and now I just run it again. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so we have the index off. Somewhere have the array is over here. The index of 2 will be 2. This should be 9. And index, this will be minus, it returns -1. Okay. So what is index of? Cool. So we are here. The next thing is, oh, I can start from somewhere. Okay. Okay. Also, that I did not do. So I will have a I will have another array. So we'll say array will be now something else. Come on. Okay, it's really laggy. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Format it. Okay. So, oh crap. How do I go back here? How was like this shift? Yeah. Okay, and I will have console log array index off, and oh, here we see the parameter, so I will search for 1 normally, and here look look, it should give me the 0 as the it is the first thing, and it will show me only the first. It will return me the index only of the first one found. And if I say index off, and the second parameter will be 1, 2, and I run it again, I will get another index. I will get the second one, and it should be, well, 5. 5 sounds good. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So that is so. I will brew my tea and continue. And I think that's it. That's it. What if I put a negative 1? Like -1, what it will do? It tells me it's not there. So I will search from the end of the array, I think. So if I do -5, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that should work. Yeah. And maybe for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 should be sufficient too. So 4, and if it will be 3, that will be not enough. So it will be -1, -1. So be -1. I'll delete those. Not, yeah, like so. So 5 is okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is okay, and the last one would be -1, I think. So run it. I can start the timer as well. Oh, it is -1, -1. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good to know. Good to know. And console log array. I'll just show that it is different one. Oh well. Okay. A lot of empty space. Okay. Log. What do we have next? Array last index of. Index of. And this will be console. Okay, so we have the array, so console log array. I will just print it out, and then I will say here will be array last index of, and the parameters is search element number, so I will start this and run it. And it is 5, and when I start searching from this works. Okay, so we'll do 5 because that is the last element, so it should tell me 9. It does. Okay, and now we will experiment with the indexes. So the second parameter I will do 0. Oh, come on. 0. When I run it, I'll get -1. I say 1. And that gets me also -1. Okay, so I'll get 3 and run it. Huh. Okay, 9. Run it. How this fucking works. So from index, we're searching last. Okay, can I see the implementation of this? Last index returns the index of the last occurrence of a specified value in an array. Third element is the guy, and then index, the array index at which to begin the search. The search starts at the last index in the array. Okay. So that would be the index from which it would go down, I guess. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 4 it should find something, right? Okay. at 3 it should not. Can we do the minus thing? So that was confirmed. We did not get it, and now we say like -1. What I do? That should start from the end. Yeah, so -1. So if I do -2, it should find the 4, not the 9. Yeah, okay. I see. Okay, so we try the last index of. So will be, oh, come on, don't you freeze, don't you freeze. Index of array find. Oh, this is so slow. That's fine. Okay, and it will return me that element, right? And I pass in the method returns the value of the first array element that passes the test function. Okay, so we'll keep that array and I'll delete those lines. Then we will have let my find function equals, and it will take 3 parameters. So element index array and it will return element. Oh, why are you so laggy? Greater 3, for example. Okay. Fighting my machine. So find, and we will have my find function. Okay, and I will run that, and I should get 4. Right. Index, and I can do whatever, I guess, with that. But kind of straightforward. I find index, that would be this similar thing, I believe. I will pass in function, and that will return index. When I run it, it will return the 4, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Cool. What do we have next? Find index, and that's it. Cool, 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 cool. So next thing would be JavaScript data objects. All right. And I will change the MD file. Yeah, so next thing to do will be script data object. Da, 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 da. And I will do this. And we'll make it link out of it. Here, I'll paste it. Okay. Ah, God, frozen again. Okay. I'll just save that. And I will have a look into the... Oh, come on, that was Control E. Repetition, and that is here, iterations. Okay, so I don't have it yet. Okay, so that's cool. I'll push the changes. And I will say finish the erase iteration method. Erase iteration methods. I don't want the quotes. Complete. Commit. Committing. What does it take so long? What does take so long? Okay. Do I have a remote? Can I push those changes? Oh, I do. Okay. So push. Well, we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.